Hello from New Zealand!
We have made it off the ship into Auckland. We're loving the city vibes here compared to Taronga from yesterday. We're excited to go exploring. First stop, a ferry to Devonport Island. We are hustling to make the ferry to Devonport because that is what we do. We always cut it way too close. Right by the ferry drop-off, there's a really cute park by the water and a really cool playground.
We took a ferry up to Devonport and then we hiked up Mount Victoria, which had a really cool bunker, some mushrooms, and
a really good view of the park.
Yeah, it was really fun.
The view is bonkers.
The windows closed to fear and doubt. I stopped and turned, trying to find out. There might be something I forgot, but all I know is that I miss you a lot.
Oh, we're here. Look, Blue.
7 days of eternity, 7 days in
That
my
is
life.
too funny. The Bunker Devonport Folk Music Club meets here every Monday, 8 p.m. Auckland Bluegrass and Old Time Music Club. That is just the coolest.
Monday!
I know. That is too cool.
Need you as my brightest light, even in the darkest night. You shine so bright.
Oh my gosh.
Can someone make this disappear? I'm having a crisis down here. And if I can't see you, I lose my mind. I like to be with you all my time. And I miss you so much, the pain won't stop.
Look how big it is! We're just there. That's how big it is.
Yeah. A long cannon.
I can climb up it.
Oh, no, sir.
I'm at an all-time low. I need you to be here tonight. Addicted to your glowing light. You shine so bright.
It's a mushroom and blue cheese bruschetta.
Ooh, that's delicious. Yeah, sounds great.
Outside? Inside or outside?
Nice. Is there anything that sounds good? Can I have your cup, Paula? Okay, first impressions of Devonport.
It's so nice.
We're ready to move.
Yep.
What do you love about it?
I love it just has a vibe that I love.
It's like small town, but cool
Yeah.
and Victorian
Surrounded by the ocean
It's got
and the
such cute
mountains.
little-
and the mountains
So cute. Boys, what do you think?
and nice
I
people.
like it because it's like a small town. It's like small and ginormous.
You already said you're moving here,
Yes, I am.
and you're going to let me live with you.
No, I'm not. I'll let you live.
Thank you.
But I'm gonna stay now.
Okay, I guess.
I feel like I have a bad impression because I scraped my knee and it hurt.
I hope that you recover from that impression.
That's like fun.
Beer,
Mama, take a picture of it.
chocolate.
Is it
How are they, Ollie?
good? Just very lemony.
Yeah, they are a little lemony, I noticed.
I can smell it. The fish smells good. I'm fishing it up.
Thank you.
Good fish. 'Cause the fish
The banana is so good.
Best bananas ice cream cone in the world. Right here.
Just had to go to Auckland to find it.
Thank you. Tell me what you got.
Oh, so I got chocolate coffee espresso with whipped cream. It has chocolate, and then it has a cookie and brownie.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Oh, nice catch.
Okay. So Ollie's was cookies and cream, which comes with this on the side.
It's a cookie. It's a marshmallow cookie.
Marshmallow cookie and cookies and cream ice cream. That's a heck of a dessert. Are you gonna get it? You're gonna leave it? What'd you say?
This is the most chunkiest pie cone I've ever seen.
It's cool. Whoa,
That's cool.
that was cool. So we ate our ice cream. Then we walked to a place called Auckland Domain, which is a huge park. We're gonna see what we can find. What's it called?
Auckland Domain.
Auckland Domain. Let's see what there is to see, huh? There's this huge tree, and then all of its roots hanging out right here. And then when you walk right down, there's a face.
Yeah, I know.
That is funny.
I can do a good impression of it.
Give me your impression of the face. Yeah, that is a very good one. That was funny. What a pretty path, huh? And do you guys hear water?
Yeah.
Ooh, and bridges. But should we go look down there real quick? Ready.
Oh, look at the waterfall.
Oh, yeah. Look at this random tiki I found.
We're not going all the way down. And then
What do you love about the most beautiful leaf you've ever seen?
it's red and yellow and pink and green.
It's beautiful.
We always
These little fairy ladies that I came up on. That's what it looks like, huh, Claire? A fairy forest with a fairy bridge. William Elliott.
Elliot, look at
Elliott with William Elliott sign. Yeah, with rare plants.
Look at it.
Oh, this is just plants. I take it all back. These plants don't matter at all.
Oh my god.
Just kidding. I don't think so. Just oh, these are pretty.
Oh my goodness. You're gonna see some more.
Ooh, those are like,
Oh,
they
those
are?
fly traps, yeah. Fly goes inside and then
I think they're orchids.
closes.
Yeah, they're not.
Yeah, they're orchids.
But yeah, they are. Is it called like a pitcher plant or something?
But
Oh,
don't
there's
they
some
trap
orchids.
bugs?
Look at these pretty orchids. They look like they're gonna sing any second.
Yep.
You're gonna what?
Sing like in Alice in Wonderland or Tiki Room. All of them are gonna start singing to us, Claire, and they're gonna be really mean to us.
I can feel you staring. Is this something that you like?
Pansies?
And I can feel you glaring, cause I'm so far out of sight.
Do they smell good?
Now if you come in close, beware of my wicked bite.
Trying to make it tall. Yeah.
And yes, I know you chose, but I will not put up a fight.
She didn't like
She gave a quack like, get back here. Get back here, little buddies. Go ahead, Ollie. Ollie!
Did I do it?
Yes. Put your hand out straight.
Sometimes they land on your head.
Ollie! What do you think? Is this your dream?
Yes! Claire, hold your hand out. You do it. You do it. We both do it.
Hold your hands out. Go.
3, 2, 1. Yes, Claire, you have to stay still. You do it. Ellie.
Whoa! I believe in you. Keep walking. If poop songs help you to go, poop songs it is.
Film me.